Kani kediga Batisi TV, mat pidang pek yaki kubur baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagbenta ki jingdon kam hakasong, bat kara karong.
Hagini ki kendiat sengi balala, bongot ki breu ki ba nakani ki jalla Meghalaya, Henry ki batrai sikiwe par ki jalla, ki ba hakani ki than chete la mingi, ki lawan pai no shalayeng. Hashwa begini ki breu ki nit pai no shala ki jong ki yeng pan, Henry Marson poi hakani ki nong ba shalong, ya ki katu kan nengon, la pansa no shwa haki quarantine center, ki badan hakaleng ka nong ba shalong. Banlap bahadu katno kini ki breu pat, kidan hapadeng ka jingbet jingbiang, ya ki jingdon kam jungki hakini ki quarantine center. Ka Batisi TV haka khat artrek mutabnai jembang arajar arpo. Kalalet jurep haki artli, ki badan haka kot jong ka skolba Northeastern Hill University. Kata haka English and Foreign Languages University, but haka Indian Council of Social Science Research. Hakini ki artli ki jaka lai kendo iki babon ki breu, ki barang shuan pai na ke jela Mizoram, Nagaland bat Assam. Ki balapan paupat ba nadu ba lapan sa iki hakini ki jaka. Ya ki jingnon kam jongki baro lapan bet penbiang ron nadong shadong, kam tam ka bam kadi.
I came from Guwahati on 6th of May by public transport that was given by the government. And after coming from there, I was sent here for 14 days of quarantine. And the service here is very nice, very good. The food is also very good. Actually, I'm enjoying my stay here for 14 days and waiting when it will get over so that I can meet my family members. I've done the scanning in Borneat.
Okay.
And no symptoms, no? Everything is fine. And my landlord, he didn't allow me to get inside my house. There I discussed about that matter and they told me to come here and sit here for 14 days. In the bus only 16 of us were there. One bus only 16 of us were there. All came back from Guwahati only.
Pi wan jumpa Nagaland, dia jumpa pi lei sta pi.
Ngai kai school. Na apply online dan number 1 sini. Hadian aku tu ki arrange government. Hat sangat handle tahu.
Kita lebih bisa cepat.
Tapi kita di berada di sana. Kita langgar banyak anak ini.
Macam mana wan bu kan efisien ni?
Kita bisa dah sedang popular kita apa? Kita arrange lupa di taxi Islam kita direction.
Dicek kita na MVP gitu ka. Rapid test mak yang.
Hai.
Lihat station po berlihat. Nanti siapa entry point sebenarnya tu.
Dapat Shillong kita sebenarnya.
Pasal apa dulu.
Kita orang ni ban hadian ka saus ni lene ka nas ni ki hapan latest bing.
Kita pada beli. Nama pas.
Kapas ka ba arrange to ka government ni.
Arrange to government.
Lang tila ada register ni. Na ada test na MVP ba.
Kita ada test ni.
Hai
Cakap apa sebelum hospital.
Piwan nang tila than thi ya ni.
Ada mana cerita.
Kana ko thawai pe dan.
Ya dan kembali